Did you know wrong dermaplaning tools can cause skin irritation? If you're serious about delivering flawless results, you'll want to avoid that mistake. Today, I'm guiding you through selecting the right dermaplaning supplies for professional grade outcomes. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're a skincare professional looking to offer top-tier dermaplaning services, you've come to the right place. Today, we're diving into a crucial topic: how to choose the right professional dermaplaning supplies. From selecting high-quality blades to finding the perfect handles, I'll be sharing my top tips to ensure that you're using the best tools for flawless results. I'm Carly Walters, owner of Advanced Esthetic Training. With over 13 years of experience providing dermaplaning tools and courses to skincare pros like you, I know the right tools can elevate your practice, boost client satisfaction, and ensure safety. If you're passionate about giving clients amazing results and building a successful dermaplaning practice, hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the notification bell so you won't miss more insider tips and professional advice. Let's get started. One of the biggest challenges in dermaplaning is picking the right tools. With so many options on the market, it's easy to feel overwhelmed. Choose the wrong blade or handle and you might end up causing skin irritation, ineffective results, or even an uncomfortable treatment experience. To give your clients the best, you need the right tools from the start. Here are some tips on dermaplaning supplies that we'll discuss today. 1. Prioritize high-quality dermaplaning blades. 2. Consider disposable versus reusable handles. 3. Match blade size to skin type and condition. And 4. Invest in quality sterilization tools. 5. Choose tools that suit your skill level. Tip number 1. Prioritize high-quality dermaplaning blades. Dermaplaning requires precision, and high-quality blades are a must. Medical-grade stainless steel blades are preferred by professionals due to their sharpness, safety, and durability. These blades reduce the risk of irritation and deliver a smoother exfoliation for a glowing finish. Pro tip: Advanced Esthetic Training offers premium dermaplaning blades designed specifically for estheticians, ensuring you're using the safest and most effective options in the industry. Tip number 2, consider disposable versus reusable dermaplaning handles. When choosing between disposable and reusable handles, weigh the pros and cons based on your practice needs. Disposable handles offer convenience and are ideal for busy practices, while reusable handles are more eco-friendly and may reduce costs over time. Advanced Aesthetic Training recommends ergonomic, easy-to-sterilize handles for precision and comfort. Tip number 3, match blade size to skin type and condition. Using different blade sizes allows for tailored treatments based on each client's skin type and concerns. Smaller blades work well for smaller areas, while larger blades cover more surface area quickly. Top tip: our dermaplaning certification classes teach you how to select the right blade size for different skin conditions, enhancing client satisfaction. Tip number 4, invest in quality sterilization tools. Proper sanitation is essential for a clean, safe workspace. Look for professional-grade sterilization tools that meet industry hygiene standards to protect client safety. Tip number 5, choose tools that suit your skill level. Whether you're a new esthetician or an experienced pro, use tools that match your comfort level. Beginner estheticians may want to start with ergonomic handles and round blades, while advanced practitioners can experiment with a variety of blades for more detailed results. After extensive research and personal experience, I have found that the best tool for most professionals is a high-quality, ergonomic handle paired with medical-grade blades. At Advanced Aesthetic Training, we offer a range of premium blades and handles designed specifically for estheticians. Investing in high-quality dermaplaning tools like medical-grade blades, ergonomic handles, and proper sterilization equipment will help you to deliver top-notch results and keep your clients coming back. Elevate your dermaplaning services with top-quality supplies from Advanced Aesthetic Training. Trusted by professionals with over 13 years of experience, our products are designed to deliver exceptional results and client satisfaction. Stock up today and see the difference it can make in your practice. Thanks for watching. Let me know in the comments what tools you currently use, or if you have any questions about dermaplaning supplies. Don't forget to check out other skincare videos, like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications so you never miss an update. See you in the next video.